Ditch the scheduling chaos and embrace AI-powered efficiency with Retell AI and your calendar. First, let's get started with the integration process, which might slightly vary depending on your chosen calendar. So let's go with Google Calendar. Typically, the steps for Outlook will be similar. Start by logging into your Retell AI account. Find the Integrations tab, likely located in the Settings or Account Management section. Once you're in there, look for options specifically related to calendar connections. You'll see options like Connect Google Calendar or Connect Outlook Calendar. Depending on what you use, click on the one that matches your calendar service. The system will then ask for permission to access your calendar. This is necessary for the AI to read your availability, create events, and send notifications on your behalf. Carefully review the permissions requested. Next, you'll probably be prompted to select the specific calendar you want to sync. If you have multiple calendars, choose the one you want Retell AI to manage. This could be your primary work calendar or a designated appointment booking space. Now, configure your scheduling preferences. This might involve setting your working hours, defining buffer times between appointments, and customizing the types of events Retell AI is allowed to schedule. Once all the setup configurations are complete, Retell AI will automatically start the sync with your calendar. This means the AI agent can now receive scheduling requests, check your open slots, and book appointments based on its intelligent parameters. The AI will also send out reminder emails before appointments and manage your availability. Congratulations, you've successfully synced Retell AI with your calendar. Sit back, relax, and let the AI handle the scheduling details. To get more tips, subscribe to the channel for more AI productivity videos.